Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that GhostwareOS token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, GhostwareOS is a privacy first blockchain ecosystem built on Solana, offering tools anonymize communication, transactions, and digital identities through decentralized relays and Slith protocol. GhostwareOS merges privacy tools for communications and finance into a Solana native suite, incentivizing adoption through tokenized ownership. While its technical ambition is clear, can it balance usability with complexity of layered anonymity to attract mainstream users? GhostwareOS token total supply is 999.99 million and circulating supply is also 999.99 million. Ghost token is listed on KCX and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 60% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.